Hey guys, welcome back. I'll be upfront with you. I had not planned this video, and after the weekend I've had, even injured my arm a little bit, I decided I wasn't going to do a video this week. And tonight's a weeknight, and I'm sitting there fixing quesadillas for the family, and it just hit me. We're going to do a video. Completely spur of the moment, and not even really planned at all. So guys, we're going to make us a pizza quesadilla with just whatever I got on hand here. Come along and join me, guys. Alright guys, I just got like just a little standard burrito size. I believe they're 10-inch tortillas. And I'm going to start off, I'm just going to keep with the quesadilla theme. And this is just some 4-cheese Mexican cheese. Get a layer of that going. You've seen quesadillas before. Coming with just some mozzarella, get that pizza thing going now. I just hated not bringing you guys a video, because I know you guys will light me up if I miss a week or two. So this is for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, we got some pepperonis. Let's lay our pizza. We ain't got a whole lot of pizza stuff on the pan, but we'll get a little bit in here. And guys, one for the chef. Just gonna keep it simple. I got some, this is real bacon bits, but they're store-bought. Layer this up a little bit. Get a little meat on this. That's really all we're gonna do, guys. Pepperoni and bacon. And guys, just a little bit more cheese. With the mozzarella. And a little bit more of that 4-cheese Mexican. Come in with our top tortilla. Let's get this on the griddle over here. Carefully transfer this over to our little griddle. I've already done 2 quesadillas in this thing. I did lower the heat a little bit because normally I put that down on a medium-low setting. This is a little bit thicker quesadilla. I kind of want it to melt a little bit slower before I flip it. Turn it up just a smidgen. Be a little bit slower cooked on this one than the others. Guys, it's been a few minutes here. Let me check this. We get some good color there. Let's see how well I can do this. Not too shabby. There we go, guys. This on the other side. We'll get this off of here. Okay, let me get a look underneath of here, see where oh yeah, we're good. Let's get this off of here, get her on the cutting board, and let her rest a minute. Alright guys, while that's resting, I'll do a little something here. It's got a little pizza sauce. I don't know how much I got in there, hopefully enough. Just a little dipping sauce there. Alright boys, it's time. Cut our little pizza up. little pizza quesadilla. You can see that, got some good color on both sides. Good melty cheese. Let's get a bite of that. Hey guys, let's get a little pizza sauce. Get a bite of this. Maybe a little bit less of a dip, but it is good. Very tasty. Napkin, got a napkin. Get another bite for you. A little less sauce on that bite. How's theirs? For spur of the moment, had no idea I was going to do this video till, well, right before I did it. Very tasty. A little of that 4-cheese Mexican cheese mixed with the mozzarella. Gives that a little bit of that feel, but it's more of a pizza than a quesadilla. So it's good though. Very delicious. Wash that down. Guys, thank you so much. I had fully accepted that I was not going to have the video this week until just, like I said, a few minutes before I did it, and thought I'd just bring you along for this little, actually it's a Monday night cook again. So hope you enjoyed it. Can't thank you enough for joining me every week. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. Hit that like button, it sure helps us out a lot. And that little bell notification to notify you every time I have a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.